Shoulder pain is very common and often caused by everyday activities such as long hours spent hunched over a desk or sleeping in the wrong position. These and other factors cause chronic neck and upper back pain for millions of people every day. Further, some have a condition called cervical kyphosis, which often results in an unhealthy forward position of the head, leading to neck pain, shoulder pain, headaches, and other symptoms. The Curve Restorer was invented by a board-certified chiropractic orthopedist to address these problems simply and effectively. The Curve Restorer is easy to use. The elastic strap is pulled into the back of the neck, while two cushioned resistance coils cradle the head and shoulders. The user grasps the two forward handles, and while pulling with light force, performs a series of exercises to strengthen the major muscles of the neck, shoulders, and upper back. This unique combination of simultaneous stretching and exercise allows for a gradual reshaping of the upper cervical region. 10 minutes a day with the Curve Restorer will often produce lasting pain relief and significant improvement of other related symptoms. Few products on the market today can match the Curve Restorer's ease and effectiveness at such an affordable price. These exercises include straight back extensions, right side extensions, left side extensions, and neck flexes for strengthening, tightening, and toning the neck.